In this video, I'll show you how to host a website on Replit. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Then create a new project or open an existing website project that you want to publish. Next, make sure your website is working correctly by clicking the Run button. If your project includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or a web framework, test everything to confirm your site loads without errors. Now, click the Deploy button near the top of the editor. Choose the deployment option that best matches your website, review the deployment settings, and configure any required environment variables if your project needs them. After that, click Deploy and wait while Replit builds and publishes your website. The deployment process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your project. Finally, once the deployment is complete, Replit will provide a public URL for your website. Open the link to verify that your site is live and working correctly. Whenever you make changes to your project, redeploy it to publish the latest version of your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to host a website on Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.